Sausage and taters. Boy, there ain't nothing like it. Hey, today we're gonna do a quick sausage and potatoes. I'm gonna show you a really cool hack, how to get this done a lot quicker. Hey, let's get started, y'all. All right, guys, hey, before we get started, I wanna show you my hack because I'm just a nice guy. You see these taters? Nice Yukon Gold. I like Yukon Gold. You can do a russet as well. We're gonna get these guys, we're gonna introduce them to a friend of ours. Hey, come on, they're gonna do something really good for us, okay? Come on. This is a secret place. This is Hungry Hussey headquarters here, all right? This guy's really busy though too, y'all, so just be mindful, all right? All right? Taters, I wanna introduce you to Mike. Mike Rowave. He's your friend with taters, all right? He's gonna help quicken this process up a little bit. We're gonna put these potatoes in there. And you got this baked potato. I don't know why it's in a different language, but it just is. And I can't, here we go. Bake, we're gonna do, I normally do like 1 or 2 less than what I have. 8 minutes, 40 seconds. I wanna check it. About 4-minute mark, just see where it's at. Hey, while these are going, we need to go prep the other items. Let's go back out to the cutting board. All right, while our taters are in there, they're having a little meeting with Mike, okay? We're gonna do a little bit of prep. And you can make this as simple or as elaborate as you want with whatever you'd like, but I'm doing peppers and onions, all right? And I love these colorful onions, and I just didn't know, so you know what I bought, huh?
Those are peppers?
Yeah.
You call them onions?
Peppers, yeah. So I like colorful peppers. So, and I didn't know what color to go with, so, you know, I bought all the darn colors I could. So I got a little red. I didn't want anybody to feel left out, okay? And that's just the kind of guy I am. You know, I just want to be nice, and I want to be respectful of everybody, okay? So, and we may not use all of these peppers, but to have all the colors in one dish, it just makes for a really nice presentation. The Andersons, even if those darn guys are coming over, the whole family, they'll be like, wow, Hussey. It's beautiful. Let's talk about your griddle. Let's go ahead and get it pre-warmed. I got it right now on low. Just want to get it ready, all right? And let's talk about griddle temperatures. And while I do that, I want a little shameless plug for these awesome little magnets. Nice little reference for you. And our reference is, we're gonna go for a stir fry. So around a 400 degrees top, you measure that with the IR, and knobs around medium high. I say high here, it just depends. You need to bring it off a little bit. So you want high heat. You don't want it just to sit there and just be like, ugh, okay? Got a little bit of onion, just a nice standard old onion. And cut that off. Okay. Get his jacket off. Apparently it's cold. So I'm gonna do a really simple dice. This is what I like to do. Just come down the center, just like that. And this makes just a nice little cube. Ease up, Maggie. And just bring your knife down just like so. All right, same thing with this one. Yeah, we might be all right there. Our peppers, we're gonna process those. We'll gauge. I got another onion over there. Just gonna try to make short work. Nah, I don't think I will. I don't think I will. Maybe I can do 3 at a time. Let's see. I wanna just bring this down. Yeah, sure I can. Just like that. And then just nice little cubes. Those aren't really cubes. Who am I trying to impress here, you know? Here we go. That one's just a little bit too big. We don't want people talking trash about our cuts. Here we go. Get a little bit of orange in there. I didn't have room for it. There we go. And then that way you can kind of gauge, you know, onion to pepper ratio. That's about right. We need to go check on Mike and them taters and see where they're at. So let's follow me in. Let's go see what they're up to into the conference room, all right? We'll be right back. All right, we're not gonna be right back. We're gonna go check on them, okay? Jacob said, shh, be very quiet. Oh, it's still going, it's not even 8 minutes. Let's see where we're at. It's at 27 seconds, so, you know. Mike, Taters. Y'all all right? Ooh. It's a little bit hot. A little bit hot. Ooh. It is a lot hot. Good night in the morning. Let's see where we're at. And all I'm really doing is feeling for resistance. And there's a little bit in some of these big taters. Not a whole lot, which is perfecto. All right. So Mike, appreciate you, dog. We'll see you next time. I'm gonna get a paper towel, not a paper towel, but a towel. Let's head over to the cutting board, y'all. Let's go. All right, we are back to the cutting board. We're gonna let those cool down just for a little bit. They're hotter than a $2 pistol, I'll tell you. We're gonna get some smoked sausages down. These are smoked sausages. Got these from over at Colonial Meats. These are from my old buddy, Andy Curtis. These are bright leaf smoked sausages, and they're really good. So I didn't know how many to get, so I just got ample amounts. I'm not doing anything special to these. Woo, watch out. These are already cooked. Oh man, that's good. That's real good. Just gonna cut these into medallions, just like this. And again, we're looking to try and size this up to what we got there, so we're not, you know, the ratios are not off. Now our taters, these suckers are still really hot, but they're nice and they're soft. And whew, gosh, you see that right there? Whoa. Sorry for the noise. Neighbors are doing some work at their house. I'm gonna leave these kind of like that. I ain't gonna mess with these much anymore. Probably could have went 6 minutes here. So these were smaller potatoes. Hey, but it's okay. They're gonna be just fine. I promise you. All right. The cool thing is now you don't have to cut them in a smaller chunk. They can be kind of bigger chunks because, I mean, they're pretty much already done. Okay. Woo. Gosh, almighty, it's hot. Hotter than a two-blooded pistol. So now we're good to go. And basically, we just got to get this stuff kind of on the griddle, get it, you know, a little loosey-goosey. Then we add our taters, be good to go. All right, to get things started over on the griddle, I had this pre-warmed on low. I want to bring this up to about a medium-high heat here, guys. Because again, per this little guide, we want it on a high temperature, all right? We want ample amounts of oil because we want to, you know, we want to kind of fry this, fry the vegetables, and we want that little caramelization to happen and get it softened up, okay? Vegetables right to the griddle. Hear that nice sizzle. All right. So I'm kind of keeping these separate from everything else, or try to at least. And I'm gonna put the sausages right there. And one reason why I want the sausages kind of in the middle, and what I want to make sure you emphasize is it's going to create some flavor. It's going to release some of its oils, some of its fond, which is kind of that stuck stuff on the bottom. That's great flavor, and you want that, okay? Taters from old Mike. Oh, forgot oil over there. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. A little bit of oil. Taters require oil. Taters require seasoning, all right? Excuse the chainsaw. Gosh darn it. The Andersons have had it with my junk. They're tired of me ousting them on the interwebs, all right? But whatever. How are we gonna season it up? Well, glad you asked. Heifer dust. Old Hussey's heifer dust. It's good on a lot of stuff, y'all. Taters and the onions and peppers. Sausages, they don't need any. They don't need any, all right? All right, we're gonna take our trusty spatulas. Hey, why you in there? Get out of there, get. There we go. All right. Oh, got another one. All right. Just get these, you just really want the onions and the peppers just kind of ride and get soft, okay? There we go. Sausages, same thing. Nothing special. Potatoes, look at that. That high heat's already getting a nice little caramelization. Let's toss these up. Got a little oil pulling up over here. All good. We'll just bring it on. Bring it on over here, Jackson. All right. There we have it. So we're gonna let this go for 2 to 3 minutes. Actually, don't need this too hot. Gonna cut them down right in the middle. It's gotten a little bit hot. Some of my sausages already got some nice color on it, so just gonna lower the temperature a little bit. So just beware. That's one thing you just want to be mindful of. Oh, that's kind of hot. Let me turn it down. All right. Everything goes real fast on the Blackstone, so you know, just take your time. Take your time. This has been about 2 minutes, and our onions and peppers, they're getting soft. Good stuff. I've tried to keep things separate. Not that you have to, but you know, I just want to. But you know, everybody just needs to get into the pool. Everybody needs to get in. They need to party. They need to gel. They need to say, "What's up?" But look at this. Is that not lovely looking right there? I mean, would you just look at it? We're not done. I just feel like, you know, it needs a little something else. It needs a little flavor. Love using this chicken powder. And we're just gonna put maybe a teaspoon and a half. It's gonna give it a nice little umami. And we're gonna put a little wash your sister sauce on it, all right? Just get at it. Woo, boy. Well, that smells good. Boy, I love that stuff. And we're just gonna mix it all around. All right. Yeah, buddy. Come on with it. Y'all, this is done. This is done. We need a plate. We need a plate. Got one from our taters from that meeting with Mike. All right. So let's plate this dude up. Nothing more to do. You can put some cheese on here if you want. Cheese would be good. I like cheese. And there you go, my friends. A beautiful, easy dish that you can whip up in no time flat with a little bit of help from Mike on the Blackstone grill. Let's give it a try, y'all. Boy, I about forgot a big piece of this. We gotta church this up. Y'all know we gotta church it up. It's a little greenery. A little bit of green onion. A little bit of green onion right there. All right. Make it purty. Make it purty. There we go. Made it rain. There you have it. Some smoked sausage and potatoes. Woo! Let's give it a try. A little try-zy. I want a little bit of everything. Especially want a tater. Oh, there we go. Come here. Come here. Come here. There we go. Ooh, that's a big old bite. But I got a big mouth, so cheers, y'all. That smoked sausage, first of all. Got a nice char to it. That's key. Get a little char. The onions, peppers, and those Yukon Gold potatoes with the Wash Your Sister sauce. Whew, guys. Hey, I hope you can make this for you and yours. Hey, I love you. Appreciate you. See you next time.